হ্যালো ফ্রেন্ডস, ওয়েলকাম ব্যাক টু মাই চ্যানেল আর্লি লার্ন উইথ ডিডি। আর বন্ধুরা, আগের দিন তোমাদের যা পড়িয়েছিলাম টাচ আর ব্যাড টাচ, আর আজকে তোমাদের আমি পড়াতে চললাম একটা নিউ স্টোরি। যে স্টোরিটা আমরা অনেকেই জানি, দেখতেই পাচ্ছ অলরেডি। স্টোরিটা হচ্ছে মহাভারত। তো চলো বন্ধুরা, লেটস স্টার্ট। King Pandu was the ruler of Hastinapur. He was blessed with 5 sons: Yudhishthira, Bhima, Arjuna, Nakula, and Sahadeva. They were known as the Pandavas. King Pandu had an elder brother, Dhritarashtra. He had 100 sons, and they were called the Kauravas. While the Pandavas and the Kauravas were growing up, they began to dislike each other. The Kauravas had a maternal uncle, Shakuni, who was very cunning. One day he asked Duryodhana, the eldest brother of the Kauravas, to invite the Pandavas for a game of dice. The Kauravas, with the help of Shakuni, defeated the Pandavas. During the game, Duryodhana and his brother Dushashana misbehaved with the Pandava queen, Draupadi. Mad with rage, she cursed the Kauravas. The Pandavas lost everything in the game: their kingdom, their wealth, and even their wife, Draupadi. Moreover, they were sent to exile for 13 years. When the Pandavas returned after 13 years of exile, the Kauravas refused to give back their kingdom. It was then that Lord Krishna advised the Pandavas, "You must take what is yours. You are Hastinapur's rightful heir." Duryodhana had a cunningly exile you. If he refused to give back your kingdom, you must use force. Will the rest of the Pandavas agree to fight against the Kauravas? Arjuna did not want to fight against his own cousin, so Krishna advised Arjuna about the importance of karma, the supreme self, and the consciousness. He told Arjuna, "A man's body can be killed, but nothing can kill his soul." He continued, "One should do his duty and spend his life praying to Lord Vasudeva to escape the cycle of rebirth." After saying this, Lord Krishna came in his real form. Arjuna touched the feet of Lord Krishna and started preparing for the war. The Pandavas fought bravely in the war. At last, the Kauravas were defeated. The Pandavas got back their kingdom and ruled for many years. তো বন্ধুরা, আমাদের ছোট ভাই বোনদের জন্য রইল আজকের এই মহাভারত স্টোরিটা। কেমন লাগলো বললো, ভালো লাগলে প্লিজ একটু লাইক করে দিও, সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দিও আর বন্ধুদের সাথে শেয়ার করে দিও। আজকের মতো এতটুকুই থাকলো। কালকে আবার নতুন কোনো ভিডিও নিয়ে ঠিক 7:15 আমি হাজির হব। টাটা, বাই বাই।